Alright guys, some bad news before this starts. Something's wrong with the clutch. I'm not get it to sit on the ground and continue to run. And also this tire's deflated, so I'm just gonna replace the tires. But that said, on forward.
I got bands, they multiply, they gon' last, they gon' last. And my cash is exponential, they gon' last, they gon' last. Feel great, I feel good, there's no doubt. Labels on the phone, always asking how. Course you know I never took a handout. Getting money, yeah, that's what I'm about. I need a big ass bag. Doing drugs, it's a little red flag. Yeah, the money is what really motivates. Headlines coming soon, let me guess the May. And I never would've thought it would work at all. Yeah, I never would've guessed that I'd get this far. Well, I got bags. They gon' lie.